to my channel. So it's great to see you again, especially in this time. I hope you're all doing well, you're taking care of yourself. So I just wanted to quickly jump on here, see how you're all doing, and wish you the best of luck, especially the parents with little kids that you have to stay at home with. I know it's not easy. So in today's video, I'm just going to basically do a deep cleaning, what I would normally call spring cleaning, but as you know, the kids are at home, so you can hardly get any proper cleaning done. And so I'm going to try to clean as much as possible, wipe off all the surfaces, clean my floors, clean her play area and our bedrooms. I still have the laundry there. I started the laundry 2 days ago, and I'm getting lunch for us at the moment. After this, I'm just going to go in, clean everything. Because Bella's at home, I'm not going to use any harsh chemicals, so I'm going to stick to my tincture products. You know how much I love these products. They're still not sponsoring me, but I love it, and it's safe for her. She's not going to get any reaction from it, so it will be my top choice anytime. So I'm starting off today's cleaning from the kitchen. I am just going to wash the oven tray because the oven itself is not dirty. I tend to use my air fryer more than I use the oven, so I'm just going to wash the tray and the saucepans that I don't really that I can use the dishwasher for, and get these out of the way.
Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I put some essential oils down the drain to keep the house smelling good. This time around, I'm going to use lemongrass. I got these essential oils from Amazon, and I believe it was around £9.99. It wasn't expensive. It gives the house a really lovely smell.
No one let myself to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been in two places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not. I better let myself give in to love, believe in us, no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, the like poets to me. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. You're new to me. I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, the like poets to me. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. You're 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 getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. could be so good together. Like Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, that kind of vibe. A love that couldn't last forever. Explosive, right? You're dynamite. But now my heart's so heavy. You moved on with your life and left me out. I thought that we would last forever. Like Bonnie and Clyde. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows. Looking for someone in the neon lights who could make me let go. Te extraño, me haces loca cada vez que te vas. I'm out of control. You don't know how much it hurts during the night. I need to know who you're sleeping next to. Tell me what you're up to. Te extraño. We used to be drawn to each other, yin and yang, we were one like that. You gave my life brighter colors, then left so fast. I couldn't catch you. Yeah, it feels so hard to let you go. Wish that I could let you know I'm getting out of control. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows. Looking for someone in the neon lights who could make me let go. Te extraño, me haces loca cada vez que te vas. I'm out of control. You don't know how much it hurts during the night. I need to know who you're sleeping next to. Tell me what you're up to. Te extraño. I'm dancing alone in the dark to forget. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm here with the scars that you left me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm dancing alone in the dark to forget. I'm here with the scars that you left me. I need to know who you're sleeping next to. Tell me what you're up to. Te extraño.
Left these years ago, I was young and almost still could feel the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. Told, thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the sin. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back. mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, you love the game, but I don't wanna play. I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite. No, no.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you very much for stopping by again, and I hope you have been motivated to do your own cleaning, and I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, maybe wishing me well, something interesting. What have you been up to during this difficult time? Let me know. I really want to know, so let me know. What have you been up to? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.